Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your PC language. First, let's navigate to your computer settings. You can usually find this by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. Once in Settings, look for the Time and Language section. Click on it, and then on the left-hand side, you will see Language and Region. This is where we begin our journey to a new language experience. Now that you are in the Language and Region settings, you will see an option to add a language. Click this button, and a list of available languages will appear. Search for the language you wish to add, for example, Spanish or French. After selecting it, you might see options for additional features like text-to-speech or handwriting. Choose what you need, then click Next and finally install to download the language pack. With your new language installed, it is time to make it your primary display language. In the list of languages, find the one you just added. Click on it, and you will see an option to move it up. Move it to the very top of the list. This action designates it as your default system language. Also, ensure that the necessary language pack components are fully downloaded for a complete experience. To fully apply the language change, your computer will likely prompt you to sign out. It is highly recommended to do so. For some systems, a complete restart is essential to ensure all elements, including welcome screens and system applications, update to the new language. After signing back in or restarting, take a moment to verify that your computer is now displaying in your chosen language. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your PC's language.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.